Yeah, I definitely have to say that Kyan's been amazing with assisting me with stocks and shares ISA account. And what makes it even simpler is having the automated monthly payments that you can choose and set into growth
Mm,
funds. And like 100%, the clear way to tax-free wealthy retirement has to be the true power of compounding, which Kyan, he explains it, he breaks it down into a way that's practical for you. Like Warren Buffett said, the eighth wonder of the world is compounding. And like with that knowledge, the time is to act now. Like take up that opportunity. The 3 day course that I did with Kyan was the best thing that I could have done. It's helped me understand why markets rise, why markets fall, and it allows me the confidence to invest without second guessing and wondering what's gonna happen. Yeah. So Kyan, respect and take that opportunity.